is the day of my full driving test. And it's so exciting. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. My very last driving test today, which is like for your full, and you get to drive passengers, drive whatever hours of the night you want to drive at, and I don't know, I just feel like it's going to be a lot more freedom if I get this. So I'm very stoked, I'm very excited, I'm very nervous. But yeah, that's that. I'm going to take you guys along with me. I don't think I'm actually going to be able to obviously film in the car when I'm taking the test. Obviously, I don't think that's going to be like a thing. But yeah, I'm going to do my best. I'll update you before and after the test, see what happens. And yeah, here's my test day, I guess. Oh fuck. It's thinning already. But hey beaches, what's up? I was gonna say something but I forgot. Enjoy today's vlog. Well, vlog, say that very lightly. It should be very interesting. I'm actually so nervous for it. So if I forget to like put in details that you guys probably like wanted to see, I'm very sorry. I'm just so nervous for this that like I probably will like forget some things, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you're new. And yeah, enjoy today's video. So I just got back from the like driving place and from dropping my sister and her friend off to a friend's house out in like Coatesville or something like that. So if that doesn't explain it, I passed. And I'm so happy about it. I'm so stoked. I was so nervous for the entire thing, and yeah, I guess, I don't know, just my driving paid off and I'm really, really happy about it. So so yeah, I don't have any more driving tests until I'm like 85 or something like that. The day of my driving test, I actually, as I said prior in the video, I was way too nervous to be able to actually film anything. So it was going to be just a very short video. I was just going to upload it and just like leave it as it was. But I actually had some footage of when me and my sister and my sister's best friend like went bowling like a couple days back. And so I decided to put that in here instead of making them two different videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little bit of bowling footage. Me, and have a good day. Guess who's winning? Me, I am. Oh, sure. How does it feel to be a winner?
I mean, I'm always a winner, so it kind of feels normal.
I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
The door for you.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god.
Come back in. Here we go.
Thank you,
Oh my
Katie.
god, there's chicken!